Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we'll be doing a 3-week fill. So I've already removed the gel polish, prepped the nails and all that good stuff. So we're gonna jump right in with the acrylic application. So I am using the color Cover Blush by JC Beauty Concepts. I do have a promo code, which is Get Nail Dirty 2. But I'm going in with my first bead, placing it closer to the cuticle area, patting it down and brushing it down towards the tip. Same thing, dipping my brush into my monomer, then into my polymer, placing the bead closer to the cuticle area, patting it down and very gently brushing down towards that tip. Same thing for all of them. And then this video I wanted to make it quick and straight to the point. I just wanted to test out this different little tripod that I had and just the different angles. So be sure to let me know down below what you guys think about it. If not, we'll go back to the regular tripod that I usually use, which would be just the above view. So I'm also using my alpha brush in a number 12, and like I said, this is the JC Beauty Concepts Cover Blush Acrylic, which I absolutely love. As you guys can see, it goes on very smoothly and I just absolutely love the color. But same thing on all of them, just going in, placing the bead closer to the cuticle area, very gently patting it down and then brushing down towards the tip, and of course making sure that as you're brushing, you're being really gentle. That way you don't brush the product off the skin. And then also cleaning around the cuticle area to make sure that you don't have any product on the skin. And then as always, making sure that you focus on the apex and thickness at the tip. That way your nails do not break off. But y'all, literally look how flawless the acrylic goes on. It leaves my nails really nice and smooth, so I barely even have to do any filing after we're done. So be sure to go check them out. Again, that is JC Beauty Concepts. Alrighty, so after we finish applying the acrylic, I'm going in with my 80/80 hand file and just following the sides and the free edge at exactly a 90-degree angle. And right there, I didn't like that angle, of course, or the angle in which the camera was, just because you weren't able to see really well when I was following the other side. But again, it's just 90-degree angle on both sides, making sure that you hold your file really straight. That way you get that perfect shape that you want. And then also, as you guys can see, I position my finger underneath her nail. That way whenever I shape the free edge, her nail does not wobble all over the place, and it's a lot more stable, so I can get it really nice and crispy. So same thing for all of them. And like I said, be sure to let me know what you guys think about this angle that I'm filming in. I know I was still trying to try it out, and so I am going to be moving my camera from one side to the other, just trying to make sure that I get the best angle. But I wanted you guys to be able to see like my apex and just a different angle from just the usual. Alrighty, so after we finish shaping the nails, I'm going in with my extra fine drill bit. And y'all, I really like this angle when I was doing this because you're really able to see exactly what I'm doing. So of course, going from the right side all the way over to the left side, going back and forth until you're able to see where the cuticle is, where the natural nail is, and where the acrylic is. That way you know that the acrylic is not on the skin. And then of course, following the rest of the nail to make sure that it's all nice and smooth. And then also pay attention to how I'm positioning my pinky on the side of their nail. That way I get some stability and I can control my e-file at all times. Also, the e-file I'm using at 10,000 RPMs, but as always, make sure that you just use it at whatever speed you feel comfortable using it at. Yo, I don't know why, but I'm really liking this angle right here. I mean, really, especially when I'm doing this part, because I know a lot of people struggle with filing around the cuticle area or sealing the acrylic during this step. So I feel like with this view, you're really able to see exactly what I'm doing. But like I said, if you don't agree, just let me know down below. But yeah, I feel like this is so satisfying. Look at all that little dust just coming off. Alrighty, so after we finish filing all of the nails, we're going in with the buffer, and this is just going to get rid of any of the scratches left on the nails from the hand file or the e-file. So make sure that you buff those nails really good. After I finish buffing the nails, I just go in with my dust brush and just dust the nails off really good. You could also have your client go wash their hands, or you can wipe them off with an alcohol wipe, which is what I'm doing here. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my polish. So I'm going to be doing a French tip with brown, and then I'm going to outline in like a darker chocolate brown. So what I like to do is just go in with my small nail art brush, which I do have available on my website. I also have the little nail polish plate on my website. So be sure to go check it out before it sells out. But I'm going in with my brush and just outlining that small line. And then with my nail polish brush, I go in and just fill in the tip. We're going to do that on all of them. And we are going to do 2 coats. So same thing, going in and outlining that small line, going from one side to the other, meeting in the middle, just filling the nail in. And like I said, I am going to cure this for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and do a second coat. Alrighty, so after we finish doing the 2 coats, I'm going in with the Walnut Brown by D&D, and I'm just going to outline that small line and then outlining the perimeter of the nail. And I'm just going to do the same thing on all of them, and I'm using that same small nail art brush. Like I said, I do have this brush on my website. It comes with a set of 3, and this is what I always use for my nail art, and it's just the perfect size. Also, I keep my little cleanup brush on hand to clean up any little mistakes that I make. I also have that cleanup brush on my website. The website is www.getnail32. I'll be sure to leave the link down below. Alrighty, so hopefully this is a better view. So going from the right side, going to the middle, going from the other side, meeting them in the middle, fixing it up a little bit, and then after that just outlining the sides. Now with this color I did have to work a little bit faster just because I don't know about you guys, but to me D&D is a good brand, but some are hit and miss. So like some may be a little bit too thick, other colors may be a little bit too runny, and this brown definitely is a little bit runnier. So that's why I had to work a little bit faster. But anyways, after that I'm just going in with the Madam Glam gel top coat, and I'm applying that on all of the nails, and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. As you guys can see, they turned out really pretty. I feel like those colors went perfect together, especially with that nude. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.